Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, I am going to be giving first impressions and first time trying EADEM lip balms, exfoliating lip balms. They're like glossy balms. They've been going super, everybody has had them in 2024 and I'm just late to the party. So I ordered 2 shades. I'm going to try them on and give you guys my first impressions. So before we get into it, thank you so much for clicking on the video and coming to the channel. I truly appreciate it. In order to help grow the channel and make all the things happen, I need you to subscribe to the channel. Please, pretty please. It is an easy and free way for you to support the videos and everything that I make over here. I would truly appreciate it if you could subscribe. Thank you. Also, if you like this video, like the video. I'm starting to do more first impressions, even though it does take time to like kind of figure out if it's going to work for me long term. I would love to know if you guys like kind of just seeing the things that I just got in the first time I tried it. So like the video so I know to make more like it, and then also hit the notification bell so you'll be first to know when I go live or when I post a new video. So what I am going to say about this product is that first of all, it took forever to come. So I was basically in the real life shopping streets during the holiday season, basically trying to hunt down these lip glosses. So I was going to multiple Sephora's back and forth, and of course I could not find them anywhere. For some reason, EADEM is how the brand name is spelled. Their section in Sephora is smushed and always in a corner. The last Sephora that I went to, the products were stacked on top of each other and there was like other products in the way, and the lip glosses were just like strewn about randomly. It was so unorganized and I was like, this whole skincare section, I need somebody to fix it. But yeah, so this is the Chouchou product. They were $21.60 each. I have the shade Fig Sauce and Burnt Malai. And then they sent me a sample of the Milk Marvel and the Cashmere Peel Chate. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah, so it was $21.60 each. I'm pretty sure I had some kind of discount code when I got them, because $21 doesn't sound like the right price. I'll leave the correct price in the description box below. I feel like they were $25 or something, and then I got like a little like 10% off or something, but I will clarify in the description box below. But like I said, ordered them December 19th. They came December 30th. I have not had shipping that took that long in years. Like, granted, I know everybody is not Amazon Prime, but if you're big enough to be in Sephora, you're big enough to ship orders within 3 to 4 business days. I don't think that's too much to ask, unless there's like a supply shortage or something. And then what's crazy is that my products were coming from a warehouse in New Jersey, and if you're from New York or New Jersey, Connecticut, tri-state area, you understand that the areas, although there's a lot of traffic and it takes a long time to travel, are very close. So I'm literally seeing my makeup basically over a bridge and it's not moving, and the package is just there, not going anywhere in the shop app. And I'm like, okay, from the 19th to the 29th is literally 10 days. I get it, Christmas was in between one day, but come on, we gotta ship the things a little bit faster. Also, Sephora is like sold out of every shade, so that's why I ended up getting it from them. But this is the little box that it came in. These are for $25 lip glosses. I would expect like a card, since I'm a first time orderer, or something that says like, thank you for supporting the brand, this is our mission, these are new products that we have, or something in there. Like, it looks like a at-home business that is just starting package these. But the packaging and the boxes are super cute though. So they have 2 dots on them that show the shade. So this is cute. So same thing with this one. So Burnt Malai, you can see this is like a browner, and then Fig Sauce is like pink. So we're gonna start off with Fig Sauce. No, we're gonna start with Burnt Malai first, because Fig Sauce is the one I'm really excited about. So But yeah, so I don't know who their people are, but I would say get on the phone with Sephora people and tell them to fix your section, and you send them the new product so that way they could do fast shipping, because clearly from your website the shipping is slow. So this product features peptides, hibiscus enzymes, African mongogo oil, Brazilian acai butter, and moringa oil. So basically it is a lip softening balm. The reason why I even got these, once you see the packaging, you've seen these before. These were super viral in 2024. Everybody had them. Basically I saw, what's her name? Cammie Crawford. She is constantly putting these on in videos. So then I was like, all right, I kind of need to see what this is about, because it looks like just a really cute hint of color, but it's not over the top, and it never ends up looking cakey or doing strings or anything like that when I see people with it. So that's why I was really excited to try it. Also, I have dry lips, so anything softening is going to be cool. It has this super luxe looking metal tip applicator, which I think is cool. Let's go in and try it. Ooh, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the metal is cooling, like really cooling, and the metal is cooling and the formula is thick, which I love. So I'm not really feeling though how like products left behind and it's kind of gross. I'm like, I want to wipe it off, but I don't know how clean I can really get it. But that cooling metal applicator on it absolutely makes a difference. It feels so good. So like the cooling effect of it just feels like it's nourishing my lips even more. I am getting a little goopiness. Maybe I put too much on, because I was really focusing on the color and making that look the way I wanted it to look. And I think I might have put on too much product, but it is so pretty. So cute. So, of course, I'm going to mess up my foundation all around my mouth, but that is burnt Malai. So that is really pretty brown, pinkish color. So I'm going to wipe this off, and then we're going to come back and try thick sauce. So we are back. So I removed burnt Malai. My foundation around my mouth did move a little bit, but we are going to go ahead and try thick sauce. Thick sauce is the one I really wanted. I actually ended up just getting burnt Malai because I saw, I'm like, if I'm gonna get one, I might as well get two, because shipping and all this stuff. But yeah, so this is same packaging and everything. This is thick sauce. So I'm really hoping that I'm able to tell these apart, because since all the packaging looks exactly the same for each one, I'm like, oh, that's gonna be a little difficult. But okay, so this one is thick sauce. I'm so excited. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I love this. I think they each have a different flavor, like scent, because this one smells like figgy. If that makes sense. Ooh, I absolutely love this one. So I feel like this one is really giving like glossy my lips, but better. It's really cute. So it feels super comfortable. This time I put a lot less product because I learned from that first experience. Same wonderful experience with the metal tip applicator. I have a lot less goop left behind. So basically you want to start off small and then add little by little more product with this one. I think it looks super pretty. It's very reflective in terms of like what I'm looking for in these lip gloss balms. Like I really want shine, but I also want nourishment, and I just don't want dry lips. Although I really do love a lot of lip glosses from all kinds of brands across all different price points, I've kind of decided I don't want dry lips anymore. So any kind of lipstick, lip gloss that after the 3-4 hour dry down, my lips feel like parched and struggling and in pain, or now I gotta go to the bathroom and try to exfoliate with the cardboard-esque paper towel to get like the dryness off my lips. I don't want to do that, so I'm moving a lot towards the glossy balms because I've been finding that they're really nourishing for my lips. I love the color and they look absolutely gorgeous, like this one. So again, this one is Fig Sauce. So before I had on Burnt Malai before I took it off. I think they're both gorgeous colors. If you have deep dark skin tones, I think these are the two that you should try first. They look really, really gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm so excited to see how long wearing they are, and what the experience is going to be like. I'm going to film videos with it to see if it starts getting stringy or if it becomes problematic in any other kind of way. But so far, I'm impressed. I'm loving these, and I'm going to add them to the rotation. So thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like